4 great pillars, ang great people. We have around 9,000 associates everywhere in the country that work hard every day to give you your favorite Coca-Cola Zero products or any of your favorite products. We also have great beverages. So we hope Coke drinker po tayo, kung hindi naman Sprite or Royal. Tumatakpilik po tayo ng Coca-Cola products. And we have a great execution, meaning in Coca-Cola po actually, we strive to always be better than yesterday. Meaning, kung paano po yung customer service namin ngayon, better po next day, tomorrow, the next day, ganyan. So we always give our customers high quality products and high quality beverages.
Yo, what's up mga kagala? So yun, salamat Coca-Cola dahil napili yung pangalan ko. At nanalo po tayo ng 2 case ng Coke and Can. Alright. So yun, may mga games pa na inihanda yung Coca-Cola.